Did you know that you could be testing the drinking water that you and your family are consuming on a day-by-day basis? Not all water is created equal, guys. My name is Brian Kellum. I am an independent educator for this Japanese medical project that has been going on for about 45, almost 50 years now. I myself have been benefiting, sharing, and educating people about my privileges, opportunities that this company has to offer for about 3 years now. Personally, I've been drinking the water, which is called Kangen water. And not only is it the purest drinking water you'd be putting into your body, but you can also go chemical free in your household as well. There's many different perks with this machine that is made from this project, from this company. But that's not what I'm here to touch on today. Today, I want to help benefit you and your knowledge and your own knowing and how to go about testing your own drinking water. So today, I wanted to share with you guys my presentation kit. Okay, so we're going to jump right in. First and foremost, the main thing is this demo bucket, okay? This bucket will help you be able to consolidate all of your liquids into this bucket after you're done pouring out all your beverages into the cups to explain and elaborate the many different things about the water. So what this kit includes, guys, many different popular beverages of water inside of this in this bucket right here, okay? So we got like Perrier, we got Gatorade, we got Dasani. And the Gatorade I would recommend for you guys to get is a clear colored frost Gatorade because it'll show more of that vivid color. Now, it's awesome, guys. Whatever water that you are drinking, even, recommend people to bring their own drinking water for them, for you to test. And it's amazing, guys. So this bucket, like I said, holds all of your bottled waters and goods if you have to bring any, or if you have people who are bringing some, you could test their water as well. Now, exactly what we're testing for with this kit is we're able to test for alkalinity, if the water is a true natural alkalized water. Now, also, two other unique properties about this water is that how it's a living antioxidant. If you aren't familiar with antioxidants, I suggest you do your research, but there's a lot of benefits with antioxidants. And let me tell you, they're mainly found in fresh fruits, vegetables, living things of that nature. Then the last test that we show about the drinking water is how it's able to hydrate us a lot more properly, effectively, and efficiently, okay? Now, not only do I have many of the other bottled beverages that are around the market today, Core, Dasani, Aquafina, all those goods, but I also have Essentia, okay? I recommend Essentia so that you can share with people that this is not a true alkaline water, okay? There's ingredients in many of these bottled beverages. We necessarily don't know how long these waters sit for before we really crack it open and sip on it, okay? And on top of that, there's many different chemicals that are put into these plastics, okay? So just take note of that. What else we got in our demo bucket here is some cups for you to pour out the beverages in, okay? We got the tea bag. This tea bag right here is to share and show with people how we're actually able to hydrate on a cellular level with the Kangen water, okay? Now, if you don't have your Kangen water or your Kangen water machine just yet, do not worry. I suggest you guys do your research or even perhaps check out many other of my other videos. There's a lot to offer, and it's amazing what this technology has been doing for many people. But yeah, like I said, the tea bag helps show what is essentially hydrating us and what is not hydrating us, okay? I got pH drops, okay? These pH drops are gonna show you the potential hydrogen of a liquid. These are a lot more effectively and efficiently than using your strips. I recommend these. You can get them at a pool or a hot tub store or even from anagic.com. Last but not least, I got my chlorine drops, okay? This is great to share and show with people what is, there's many different chemicals in our water, guys. Bring a slow pour, Kangen water 9.5, fresh from your machine. Then bring some of your local source tap water, or if wherever you're at, you can fill up from a water fountain or some reliable water source there. And that is what I keep in my demo bucket. Also, I keep a towel to help clean up any messes, guys. And then just a couple extras on top of that, in a sense, is a little bit more pricier. This is the more expensive version of your demo kit. The total of your demo kit after you invest into your bucket and your bottles of water, and then if you need or if you want to, you can invest into other spray bottles, which I did just to kind of help edify and just clarify things. On top of that, this right here is the most expensive piece of your demo kit, which is the ORP reader. And with all of this, the whole bundle, it'll cost around $200 to $250 depending on where you get your ORP reader, which is not bad, guys. This right here can last a lifetime, and you are able to share and educate people that not all drinking water is created equal. And when people try this stuff, when they consume the Kangen water, and when they see it physically, it just paints the picture, okay? So if you haven't seen that presentation, I suggest you see it. It really paints the picture, but these are just the tools to help you get started with that, okay? So the ORP reader, guys, I'll take it out here to show you guys what it looks like. Reads positive or negative. The ORP reader tests what is essentially aging us or what is anti-aging us, what is oxidizing us or what is antioxidizing us, okay? So this device right here is very, very powerful. The one that I have is a Milwaukee version. It's the Milwaukee, I believe, 400, I want to say, but it's awesome because it comes with its own kit. I highly suggest this one right here because it definitely gives a really clear reading on the water. Last but not least, some last minute tools that I like to keep on me and to kind of share and educate people is a lot of the times I have my own PowerPoint slide that I share with people where I'll either put it up onto a projector, or if I am dealing with a different crowd, or say if I don't have so many people and if I just am trying to share with an individual on what this company and what this water can do, I suggest you getting a flip book. This flip book right here is basically a whole global vision, and it basically is able to go through the whole philosophy, the whole company, the whole vision, and the whole water test, the whole demonstration, okay? This is a really great guide to help walk people through and also put in people's hands as well. I highly suggest this if you do not have a PowerPoint slide that you have crafted for your own. Then a little bit of some information that I have laminated. I have Dr. Otto Warburg. This guy won a huge Nobel Prize for discovering the root cause of cancer. And then last but not least, guys, the cost comparison in a 15-year total cost analysis for how much it is for a Kangen water machine versus you investing, I don't know, what if you're investing in Aquafina, Dasani, or I don't know, Essentia for your family monthly? It adds up, guys. It really adds up. So all of these tools right here are the essentials to help you share and educate people that not all water is created equal. I would consider this test amazing. It basically breaks down everything, guys. It'll just share with you a lot. And the last things that I want to share with you guys are my spray bottles, because this machine can also produce many other different drinking waters, and not only drinking waters, but also sanitational waters, because it is based off of science. So I have my 2.5 strong acidic water, and then I have my 4.5 shine water, and last but not least, I have my 11.5 strong alkaline water, okay? Now, these are just some of the essentials that I would recommend for you guys. If you guys are gonna go out and about, if you're trying to simply just test your own water, these are great tools to have on today, 2020, guys. Not all water is created equal. If you guys have any questions at all, or if you guys are curious on any of these devices, or how, you know, the ORP reader or any of the waters and whatnot, or how they test out to be, feel free to reach out. I've been testing a lot of these waters and helping a lot of people just realize the truth about water, guys. It's you know, that's what we're mainly consumed of, right? We're 70% water. We're water beings. Why not put the most quality of water into your body today, right? A lot of people are starting to realize it, okay? But thank you all for checking out this video. If you know that anybody could benefit from this, or if you know anyone that is trying to learn or become or simply just test their water, shoot, send them this video, guys. But much love, y'all. Peace.